Are custom data requests piling up from your users? Let them ask questions directly in your product. camelAI is a drop-in iframe. Your users ask questions in natural language, and we do the SQL, charts, and insights. We're trusted by startups and Fortune 500 companies alike. Last month, camelAI processed over 10,000 data analytics questions. You can embed a full-featured, customizable chat with your data experience in 5 minutes with camelAI. Everything you need to get started is available on our website, self-serve, at camelai.com/API. Head to our developer console to generate your API key and connect your data sources. Embed the iframe wherever you'd like, or preview it directly on our site. Configure the agent with reference queries and the knowledge base. Customize the UI to match your branding. We've built an iterative agent loop for the smartest AI analytics possible. And we take care of row-level security, so your users only have access to their own data. Embed chat with your data into your product today. Go to camelai.com/API and read our docs to get started.